Welcome to the pre-market report of 11/5/2025. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,281. Top CPR is in 16,301. Bottom CPR is in 16,260. And R1 placed in 16,364. R2 placed in 16,488. R3 placed in 16,571. S1 placed in 16,157. and S2 placed in 16,073, S3 placed in 15,949. In Bank Nifty, the center pivot placed around 34,480 and top CPR is in 34,482, bottom CPR is in 34,479. The CPR width is very lean, it indicating the market going to be trend in any direction, maybe up or down, the market going to be trend any one of the direction. If the CPR width is lean, market going to be trend any one of the direction. R1 placed in 34,784, R2 placed in 35,085, R3 placed in 35,389, S1 placed in 34,179, S2 placed in 33,875 and S3 placed in 33,574. Let us move on to the global market. Yesterday, Dow was down by 0.26% and S&P 500 was up by 0.25%. Nasdaq was up by 0.98%. So, yesterday US market was in mixed condition. Yesterday, all the European market closes firmly in green, but it won't affect our today market opening. Right now, all the Chinese market was in positive condition, except Australian market. All the market was in positive condition. Right now, all the Europe and US future was trading in green. It gives slight positive to our market. Nifty future indicating market going to open 16,172. Our previous day close was 16,240. Although Nifty futures showing positive, it was indicating slight gap down because our previous day close was 16,240. Now Nifty future indicating 16,175. It's slight gap down of 70 points, as well as SGS Nifty also indicating 16,178. It is also indicating slight gap down. Yesterday, the FI foreign institutional investor sold for 3,960 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 2,958 crores. The overall institutional activity was in sell side. It was slight negativity to our market. This is option sign data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now 16,500 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,26,682 contract in open condition. After that 16,400 call option has highest open interest in nearby. It has 94,710 contract in open condition. So the option writers believe market won't move beyond 16,400 in upside as well as in downside. 16,200 put option has highest open interest. It has 90,542 contract in open condition nearby. So the option writers believe market going to be expiry by this week between 16,400 to 16,200. Whenever market approaches 16,200, you can buy call option. Whenever market approaches 16,400, you can buy put option. Market going to be expiry between 16,200 to 16,400. According to US market close, our market has potential to go up to 16,280 in Nifty and 34,568 in Bank Nifty. So kindly plan accordingly. So the final conclusion is US market was mixed yesterday and European market was in positive condition. Right now Asian market was in mixed condition. US futures was positive, but European future was in flat condition. Nifty future indicating slight gap down, not more than 100 points. FA is in sell side, DA is in buy side. According to the writer's view, market won't move upside beyond 16,400, in downside beyond 16,200. As per US market close, our market has potential to go up to 16,280 in Nifty and 34,568 in Bank Nifty. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2 in green, previous day high in dotted green, as well as previous day low in dotted red. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red, and I marked day before yesterday low because it is very important point. I hope today market will came down and took support at day before yesterday low. After that it bounced back up to center pivot or previous day high. Market going to be consolidated between yesterday's high and day before low. I hope market going to be consolidated between yesterday's high and day before yesterday low. Whenever market approaches 16,157 and form a bullish pin bar like this, I am going to buy nearby call option and keep the target at center pivot or R1. Whenever market approaches previous day high and form a bearish pin bar like this, I am going to enter at this candle close. I am going to buy nearby put option. I am going to enter at this candle close and keep the stop loss at R2 or just above previous day high and keep the target at center pivot, or I can trail up to S1. This is our final conclusion. If market came near 16,157 and form a bullish pin bar, just buy nearby call option and book your profit at previous day high or R1. If market approaches previous day high and form a bearish pin bar like this, buy nearby call option and keep your stop loss just above previous day high or at R2. Book your profit at S1. This is our final conclusion.